What is this man doing?
He is riding a bicycle.
What is this boy doing?
He is running.
What is this girl doing?
She is talking on the phone.
What is Grandma doing?
She is watching TV.
What are the children doing?
They are playing football.
What are the men doing?
They're sitting.
What are the horses doing?
They are eating.
Are the horses eating pizza?
No, they aren't.
What are they eating?
They are eating grass.
Are the children playing volleyball?
No, they aren't.
Are the men sitting?
Yes, they are.
What is the bear drinking?
It is drinking milk.
What is the bear eating?
It is eating honey.
What is the dog doing?
The dog is beating the cat.
Is the cat beating the dog?
No, it isn't. The dog is beating the cat.
Who are the dogs beating?
They are beating the cat.
What is he doing?
He is listening to music.
What is the little girl doing?
She is reading.
What is the dog doing?
It is eating. Are the sheep sleeping?
No, they are drinking water.
Are these bears drinking milk?
No, they are drinking water.
Is this bear eating honey?
No, it isn't. It is eating fish.
What is the girl eating?
She is eating lamajun.
What is the girl doing?
She is riding a horse.
What is the horse doing?
It is walking.
The old man is riding a donkey.
The donkey is riding the man.
The fish isn't eating the bear. The bear is eating the fish.
The cat isn't beating the dogs. The dogs are beating the cat.